just in the Knowsley showroom. This is going to be phase 2 of the extension. So basically, we've had a setup with the panoramic 2000s in it, but all these setups are getting ripped out this week. So we've got Lee and the lads are taking down this the panel 2000 setup now, and we're going to be doing proper showstopper setup. It's going to be a slimline media wall with the Lazio suite with the panel 2000 back in there. I'm going to put a few pockets in there. It's going to be a little bit different from what we're doing, but this is going to be the next big thing when it comes down to your media walls and your panoramic suites. So we're going to let the lads crack on whilst they take all this time, and we'll follow the progress as the day goes on. So you can see we've took the old media wall down now. Marble shelving and everything is going to be coming back. And then we're going to start the design. The lads who are doing the media wall for us, and they're going to be doing it in a steel frame. There's a few companies who we recommend who do the same with the steel framing. But now I'm looking forward to this slimline media wall. It's the same what Michael Dacker, aka Big Shaq, got. This is the next big thing. Used to be just having your normal media wall. This is going to take it to the next level because we're going to put it in the Lazio suite on the front of there, so you can still have your TV sunk into the wall. We're going to have a few little pockets. We're going to do something a little bit different with the lighting on there, and then you're going to have this big showstopper luxury marble suite on the front with the panoramic 2000 finished. But yeah, the lads just on a little break now, but looking forward to seeing them crack on with this. So we've finalised the design, what we're going to be going for on this media wall. Slimline media wall, it's going to come out about 200mm. We're going to have two pockets the same size either side, and then we're going to have one that drops down either side. That's going to be a little bit more vertical. Just making sure that it's going to be absolutely spot on. We're going to be going for LED light strips behind each of the pockets on the side and behind the TV. So we're just looking at some of the different lighting systems you can use at the moment. We've seen one of the girls who we work with, Tweely. She got like a Philips Hue system on her one. Just been having a look before. They're not cheap, so we're just having a look, see if there's any sort of alternatives on there, and if it's something that works out brilliant, then we'll be able to recommend it to all our customers who come in. Like we do with the TV brackets and stuff. Any questions, if we can recommend it, we'll recommend it. We're not fussed about trying to make any money out of stuff like that. But now I'm looking forward to this now. The lads have got all their, let's spin this around. Here we go. Laser alignment. They've got all the plans. And they're about to start cracking on this, so I'm not going to get in the way, but hopefully we get the main part of this done today, and then we can start finalise what lighting's going to be going in there. But no, we'll come back and revisit this one. See, I nearly spat my teeth out. So the frame is up for our slimline media wall. The media wall is going to be coming out 200mm. It's just enough for the TV to be able to sit back into. There's 2 shelves on either side, so let's spin this around. We have got these 2 shelving. These are going to be the same size, and then looking down, we have got a more portrait, more vertical shelving. Very similar to the Michael Dacker one. Our electrics have gone in, so we're going for, they haven't been screwed in properly, but we've got 2 double plugs. They is going to drop behind the wire. It's already there for the fire. That's going to drop down into the back where the Lazio suite is going to be placed. So we've got the Lazio suite with the panoramic 2000s going to be sitting in here. So this is ready just to be finished off and then to start getting boarded. But now it's really taking shape, and then behind me, and we'll carry on with our phase 2 slimline media wall, where we'll be doing a bespoke 1170 slimline media wall, which will be just 185 millimeters. So the LED strip has now been put in our slimline media wall where the 2000 Lazio's going. So let's spin it around. So we've got 3 pockets on each side. Now normally where people are doing kind of spotlights coming down, we've done LED strips as uplights. So you can see once this has been plastered, we've got a diffuser over. So it's going to be hidden, so when you're going to be down, you're sat down at that height, you won't see any of the LED strips, you'll just see it illuminate up into the actual pockets itself. This is going to be getting plastered now tomorrow. Taped and jointed, plastered, get this all finished for tomorrow, and then we look forward to getting it decorated, and then we can get our 2000 Lazio in there. But it's going to look absolutely brilliant when it's done, and then we can get the LED strips will also be going on the back of the TV, so that'll illuminate that area as well. But yeah, we'll check back on it tomorrow.